Hi, I'm Robin Crama and I work at the Secret Lab as a front-end developer. To be a front-ender, you have a lot of different kind of work. You have a designer and you have a programmer, and all in between can be a job for a front-ender. It's a very big grey area. Well, if you're working on a project that has a lot of maintenance, then for instance you could have a styling issue or do the markup for a page. But if it's a new project, then maybe you have to make a whole page or maybe the whole website. So yeah, it really depends on the work you are doing at the moment. It's very diverse. Well, there is not really a school you can go to learn front-end, but there are bachelors and universities where you have science media or a media college. You can, of course, do online courses via Treehouse, and you have Code School. And also, there are online courses that are paid, like in the Netherlands we have Frontiers, and there you can have courses. And of course you can read blogs, read books and do a lot of home study. Of course you should know the basics for front-end like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But there's one that is not really common said, and that's communication. You need to be able to communicate with a lot of people. You're in the middle of everything. You're in the middle of design, you're in the middle of programming. You need to talk to project managers. So you need to be communicative with every aspect of the business. That's all up to you. You can work at a small company, you can work at a creative agency, you can work at a big corporation. And wherever you're going to work, it's going to be different. Because if you're in a small company, you know all your colleagues, you know them by name, you know the projects, you know the project manager, and you can probably easily switch between projects. If you're in a big company, like in the Netherlands we have Coolblue. Coolblue is a very big company with over 1,000 employees. If you come there, well, you probably will be in a small team and you know the members of the team, but you probably don't know everyone in the company. The most fun part of front-end for me is the beginning of a new project, when you come together with the team and you decide on what you're gonna build and how you're gonna build it. In that time you discuss a lot with the client and you're molding everything that's gonna be built. So your input is very valued at that time. When I started out as a front-end developer like 5 years ago, then the job was just to create some CSS and HTML from a PSD. Nowadays we need to work with the command line, we need to work inside Photoshop, we need to design in the browser, we need to make responsive layouts that work on every device. If you want to become a front-end developer, then learn the basics. Learn HTML, learn CSS, learn JavaScript, and learn it really how they were intended to work in the first place. Nowadays we have a lot of frameworks. You can do a lot of great things with those frameworks. But don't forget that all those frameworks are built on the same principles. And if you understand the principles, you can do anything you want.